What's up guys? Thanks for clicking this video. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button right here so you can be notified about future videos that I create. If you've been following me for a while, I've been making videos about tips and ways that you can better your life, but there is one thing that I haven't really covered, and that's going from giving you tips and providing you with these personal development ideas and things you can put in your life that will better you and make you a better person and help you accomplish and strive towards the goals that you have for this year and future years. But the next step is to actually do it. And today I want to talk about how you can go from just thinking about doing it to actually doing it, and that is reflecting on how you went about your week, how you went about your day in that sense. Reflection is such a key aspect to people, and if you want to be successful, because you will see what went well, what didn't go well, what things do I need to change around a little bit. You can reflect on all of these different things. So how do you reflect? How do you use reflection to help you proceed and to become a better person? Well, if you haven't already, you can watch my video, which would be right here, which it talks about journaling. I started journaling, I guess, about a year ago, and it has immensely helped me in terms of my memory, in terms of my personal development, and so many other aspects. If you're not journaling, then it's going to be a lot more difficult to reflect on your day, your week, your goals that you have, because it's difficult to remember everything, and if we write something down on a loose piece of paper, we might lose it. So journaling is the first step towards achieving your goals and reflecting on this, because the best way to remember something is to write it down. You are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write it down regularly, put it somewhere that you can see, as opposed to if you just have it in your mind. What's next? Actually looking at what happened that week or that day and reflecting on it. What went well? What didn't go well? How can I improve for tomorrow or next week so that I'll become just that much better? How can I become 1% better in that area so that over time I will become so much better at it? That's kind of what reflection is. What can I do better, or what can I remove from my life that will allow me to grow? So I know reflection might seem kind of like a boring task or something that you don't want to do, or even a waste of time, but I guarantee you that reflection has helped me so much in terms of personal development and achieving my goals, and I hope you guys try to implement this as well. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to hear more, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And if you have any comments about reflection, I'd love to hear them down below. Thanks guys.